Welcome back, everybody. It's the trick-or-treating time of year, and you might have a few extra Reese's peanut butter cups on hand. We've got the regular peanut butter cups, a special edition Franken cup with a green bottom, and my favorite. So let's make peanut butter chocolate French toast with a Reese's peanut butter drizzle. Let's give it a try. I got my Blackstone Griddle fired up, and look at this, my Blackstone heat-resistant silicone gloves, which also look like Iron Man gloves. And I have my double boiler on the griddle top. If you're not familiar with a double boiler, you have a pot on the bottom with boiling water to generate steam, and the heat from said steam will heat up the sauce pot that sits on top. Then we just crack open these peanut butter cups like so, and just start dropping them in the top. Then we'll mix a little bit of half and half in there, and we can start to melt down those Reese's peanut butter cups. And you can add more peanut butter cups as you need. And the Reese's peanut butter cup drizzle, beautiful. The double boiler is essential when you're melting down sugars, chocolate, candy, because it won't allow those sugars to burn. Now over to the prep table so we can prepare our French toast and our French toast batter. I was originally going to use this regular brioche bread. It's perfect for French toast, but then I happened upon this at Walmart. Thank you, Batman. Almond chocolate brioche. Of course, I don't care about the almond because we're going with the peanut butter theme. There's a couple of slivers of almond in there, but we can pick those off if we want to. Sometimes you're in the store, you're in the bakery, and you just find the absolute perfect pastry, the perfect brioche for your French toast. Typically, brioche will come wrapped in parchment or wax paper. Oh man, I like to slice thick, at least a good 1/2 to 3/4 inch slices here. And again, we have almond slivers on there, but I'm not going to pick those off. I like the crunch. It's not going to impede with the peanut butter flavor since almond is so mild. And the reason why we use brioche, it's a French bread that has a high egg and sugar content, and it is just absolutely perfect for French toast. Let's get going with that batter. I like to crack about 1 egg per thick slice of French toast. So today, let's say I'm doing 10 pieces here. I'm gonna put at least 10 eggs in there. And since I'm using the chocolate brioche bread, we don't need to add too much to our batter, but we'll start with a little bit of vanilla. Vanilla extract, always a good option for French toast and crepes. Occasionally, I like to use almond extract as well. And you can just whisk those ingredients up with a fork, and you can add a little more extract if you need. Now, in the past, I've always used coffee creamer. I'm out of French vanilla today. It'll probably be my first choice. I do have a little bit of hazelnut. I mean, if you want to, it's always nice to put a little bit of coffee creamer in there like so. One more trip over to my spooky double boiler cauldron to check on our peanut butter cup drizzle. Alright, that looks just about perfect. We do have a couple of chunks, some chunks of peanut butter cup in there, but it is a nice syrup. Look at that. Nice consistency for drizzling on our French toast. French toast, crepes, and pancakes, a little more delicate than making burgers and steaks. You like that fog, by the way? So I like to start on low heat, and if I need to, I can always go up, but you don't want to burn your pastries. Now I'm using a 4-burner 36-inch griddle, lots of heat, so I can be on low for crepes, pancakes, and French toast. But with a 17-inch griddle, 1 burner, you might need to be up higher, maybe closer to medium or high. Any kind of cooking oil works, but I like to use the can spray, such as Blackstone's non-stick griddle spray. It gives you that nice film that you need to keep your griddle top protected and to prevent your food from sticking. So the only thing left to do is grab that beautiful chocolate almond brioche, put it down in my batter, in my egg wash. I will flip that a few times because the bread is somewhat porous. and I want it to soak up all the egg batter that it can. But you don't want to let it soak too long to where it gets soggy and falls apart. Straight over to my griddle top, and we can plop these down on top like so. Any kind of pastry or French toast like this, I like to use super thin spatulas. Get in there and check early and often. And hopefully you can see that we are already ready to flip. I'll grab one of my griddle scrapers and we'll slice these in two diagonally. Let's plate it up. Hopefully you don't mind me touching my food. And that sweet, delicious Reese's peanut butter cup drizzle. A little bit of Ready Whip and my favorite gold foil Reese's peanut butter cups. Let's give it a try. Dun, dun, dun. The peanut butter is not overpowering. It's only in the syrup. It's only in that drizzle. Going in for round two. 2 bites, which reminds me of these brand new shirts. Our graphic design department is incredible, always coming up with cool new designs, and look what they surprised me with last week. 2 Bite Todd, okay? So that's one of the new designs. Now again, you're probably not gonna see me wearing these because I might be a little weird, but I'm not gonna walk around with a picture of myself, but these are pretty cool. Take a look at that shirt. So I need somebody to buy these so I don't have to wear them. What do we have here? Another one. Here we go. This is the one I was looking for. The Toven Zone. And last but not least, the Let's Give It a Try. These are available in all kinds of shirts and hoodies, all on our Teespring site. So big shout out to Blackstone's graphic design department. Let's serve it up. All right, everybody, we have to go now. Some of the kids are blowing up. We even have a dirty diaper over there, but thanks for watching. Create a family memory, maybe not as hectic as ours, but create a family memory this fall with Blackstone. Until next time, everybody, this is Todd and his family. We're saying praise the Lord and pass
the cupcake.
the French toast.